Hi everyone, it's Susan Stewart, professional organizer and owner of Perfectly Placed, and I wanted to do a different video for you today that is not related to organizing, but I know it's just getting hard being quarantined, and I keep thinking of all my friends with little kiddos at home and how hard it is. And I remember well those days. So I wanted to share some tips that would give you some excitement, maybe a little something different to look forward to. And so for 10 days, I'm going to do one tip each day for something to spice up your dinner hour as a family. Sometimes when you're having meals together, it's great because now you have the time to have meals together, but it can be awkward, and especially if you have little kids and you don't know how to have conversations and those types of things. And this first one is one that our family did. So this is going to be a little bit of a mixture of ones that I did with my family when they were younger. And then also some that I looked up on the internet, just ideas that I've gathered through research. But today's tip is my absolute favorite. We did it from the time I think Spencer was a baby when we started. Laura was a toddler. And, when they're home from college, they still ask if we can do it. So it's a keeper. So it's called High and Low, and it goes like this. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, it is time for high and low. If my finger lands on you, you know what you have to do. And then that person will share their high for the day and also their low for the day. So if your kids are little and they don't understand what high and low is, that's fine. You're just going to explain to them your favorite thing that happened today and what was something that was really hard today. And then that person gets to be the person that points the finger and does the eeny, meeny, miny, moe. And lands on the next person. And then when you get to the last person in the family, everybody points at that person and does eeny, meeny, miny, moe. So it can be a lot of fun. And if you have kids that are too young, so for example, we started doing this when Spencer was, oh goodness, a baby, way before he could talk. And we would include him in this event at dinner anyways, even though he couldn't talk. And then I would just make something up for him. Oh, Spencer, what was your high today? Oh, going to the playground, that was so fun. And what was your low when you bumped your head, or whatever. So that they just grew up learning that, and it's just really a fun activity to do together as a family. So I hope you give that a try tonight, and tomorrow I'll be back with another idea. And keep enjoying your family. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.